When a hosting provider allocates space on a web server for a website to store its files, they are hosting a website. Web hosting makes the files that comprise a website, code, images, etc., available for viewing online. Every website you have ever visited is hosted on a server. Web hosting, it refers to a service that makes your website available to your users, and most websites are intended to be viewed by anyone on the internet at any time. There are companies who specialize in web hosting, and a good hosting company will provide basic services like 24/7 support, 24/7 FTP access, email accounts, online control panel, online traffic statistics, database management systems such as MySQL. And there are different types of web hosting. They are either free hosting, shared hosting, reseller hosting, dedicated hosting, or collocated hosting. Free web hosting can be a good choice when you just want to build a non-critical website for fun. But on the other hand, the website can be down at times. Some of the hosts ask customers to buy domain name. Some provide subdomain names, and free banner ads can be seen frequently. Shared hosting, customer websites share space on the same physical web server. It's very common, and it also is known as budget hosting. Reseller hosting, usually a web host provides storage at a discount to web consultants, who then resell the storage as a service or add-on to complement their other range of services that can include website designing or programming. Dedicated hosting involves allocation of a specific web server for use by one customer only for one or several of that customer's website. Collocated hosting. In this type of hosting, you will purchase your own server and have it housed at a web's host facilities. You will be responsible for the server itself. An advantage of this type of hosting service is you have full control of the web server. So the web server will be under your control, and whoever whether they are hosting it, whether that could be your partner, or you could resell it, all that depends on you. And web server options, the two web server platforms are functionally similar. It all depends on what your hosting needs and what you are comfortable with. Linux allows for running scripts written in PHP, Perl, Python, and other Unix originated languages. It usually supports MySQL and PostgreSQL databases, whereas Windows allows for running ASP scripts and utilizing .NET and other Microsoft technologies. It supports Microsoft SQL Server and Access database. These are the few hosting servers that is available for web hosting: iPage, Bluehost, Web.com, Network Solutions, JustHost.com.